welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Y'all see my whereabouts. My current situation happens to be at Northern. Y'all know why? That's because we finna go ahead and get some goodies for the 80K raffle giveaway. That's right, guys. Every 10,000 subscriber increments, I like to do what we call a raffle giveaway. Now, I was just at Harbor Freight, but I chose to go a different route this time. Let's go to Northern and see what's popping in here. Okay. And besides, I got burnt on the damn compression gauge, so kind of a little scarred. Not permanently, trust me, because I'm still gonna be going to Harbor Freight, getting stuff. I won't say tubes. In fact, I recorded a video while I was there explaining the difference between professional grade tubes and DIY occasionally tubes. Okay, meaning it depends on the environment you in. If you work in a professional environment, especially something like a dealership in the service department, yes, your tubes probably need to be professional grade. Let me say it like that. My buddy Fluffy Mexicanic gave away a set of, no, his one was the other brand, Mountains. Okay, they don't have Mountains, but if they did, you know, I got a top Fluffy. That dude one up me. Shame on him. But they don't have those. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna really focus or zone in on tools per se, as opposed to stuff, gifts, tool gifts. Let's go back here to that section. Okay, this is the Makita section. I gave away some Makitas on the 60K. I'm trying to switch it up, guys. You guys are pretty. I don't know how to gauge you people, man. Plus, I got women in here too. What's up, Rocks Rose, and what's my other friend name? God, you know who you are. Oh my goodness, I done called one name and I forgot the others. She won the She won the suction pump last time during the 70K. She knows she are. She won the 70K, the suction pump. Yeah, I got that from Harbor Freight. So that's what I'm saying. Stuff like that, that's equipment. That's not so much of a tool. That's more of an equipment. Evelyn Rodriguez. I knew her name was going to come. It's going to hit me. Yes, Rocks Rose, Evelyn Rodriguez. There's more. I just probably shouldn't call out none until I know them all. Huh? But anyway, guys, we are going to get a few things out of here. What exactly? I don't know. See, little stuff like this. I'll figure something out. I'm going to go grab me a basket. I don't even know if I should tell y'all, or y'all should know, but you'll know tonight. Now, I got some tools at home I'm going to raffle off during the giveaway. So a lot of scan tool companies were sending me scan tools, code readers and things like that to do videos on. I don't know, guys. I got to, if the equipment is not up to par, it's hard for me to make a video and brag on something that's not up to par. So I don't know. But these companies send me stuff. They don't get them back. They don't want them back. And I ain't about to pay shipping to send them back. So I don't know where we go from here. But I got a lot of stuff I can also include in the raffle giveaway. One of these little scan tools would be a nice gift. See, I hope you guys, I mean, I don't know. So I have subscribers in here that's not even mechanics. I probably should sectionize it. Nah, JT, don't do that. All right. So guys, this is gonna take a while, and I don't want this video to be super long. Can't do that, right? No. So jump box. I gave away a jump box last time. I might do a jump box again. Professional grade jump box. Ooh, that's a big bad boy there. Yeah, I might end up giving it. See, the places, y'all know I got eat up on shipping last time, so I ended up getting gifts out of stores and just have the stores ship. That's the one I got. Somebody asked me what kind of jump box I got. That's it right there. Somebody asked me what I might just do that. I'm gonna do a jump box. Let me put it that way. Everybody, whether you're a mechanic or not, could use a jump box. Everybody out there drive, right? Everybody out there got a car. And in that car should be an emergency way to start it in the event your damn battery go down, right? I agree, guys. I freaking agree. I need some of this stuff for myself. I need a push pin kit. I'm tired of going up to the parts department and they want $10 for one damn push pin. I can get a whole freak O-rings. They want like $10. I ain't knocking them. That's the rules. They deal with the hand that they're dealt. It just, I can get the part. I just have to charge it to the ticket. I don't even think the customer should have to pay $10 for one push pin or whatever. No. We're not gonna do that. Magnets make a good gift. I myself need a soldering gun, guys. I'm gonna turn this camera off, guys, and go grab me a basket. Y'all know I'm working with the company credit card, right? Yeah, online mechanic tips. It's a business. It's an LLC, guys. Yeah, this is real, man. What y'all think this is? This ain't no play stuff. This is real. I'm tripping. No, I'm not tripping. I'm serious, but yeah. So I'm gonna whip out the credit card and do it that way. All right. So where we at? We up to 6 minutes. I'm gonna let this video run at least 8 minutes long. I'm not live, so I can't really ask y'all what y'all want. Last time I did this, I was live up in Lowe's. Y'all remember that? And people was commenting, and I was getting tips from there. Somebody was like, "Get this, get that." Lowe's is so much. I'm not gonna say better, but there's so much.
Your lights on.
Oh, okay. I don't know why people feel the need to tell me that. Little do they know I'm recording, right? I got the light on, so just in case I hit a dark spot, the light. But every time I walk by somebody, they feel the need to tell me, "Your light's on." Oh, a drill. I know a good gift. Your light's on. I know, man. Go on. Would you leave me alone? Can't you see I'm trying to record in your stove? I probably shouldn't be, but I am. And I don't want you to know because you may tell me to. I messed up, guys. I want y'all to know that there's a difference. Yeah, this ain't the right one. I got the gun. I got this in the other style. It's just more speed than torque. Oh, I was pissed. I bought the kit. Yeah, I don't like that gun at all. Oh, let me keep my word. Let me go grab me a basket, guys. So, here's what I need you guys to do. Just tune in tonight, man. Y'all, ain't no sense of... Y'all, this ain't nothing y'all gotta see. You know what I'm saying? So, reversible drill stuff. So, yeah, tune in tonight. Make sure you subscribe. You have a chance to win some gifts. It's pretty fair. All right, I use a piece of software that makes it fair. Random winner. I don't know. I can't pick. Like, there used to be a time I wish my buddies would win, like Uncle Mark and you know, a lot of the old timers or a lot of the long time subscribers. I used to hope they win. Uncle Mark actually won last month. So I used to try. Damn, I wish there was a way I could make sure the long time subscribers win, but there's not a way, and that would be wrong anyway. So I don't want to do that. So the software that I use keeps it fair and random and just based off luck. All right, JT, you talking too much. We at 8 minutes, guys. I'm gonna end this video. So I'll see y'all tonight, 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time on a live stream. That's all I have, man. Thanks for watching.